I'm gonna make mung bean dessert. It's very healthy to make this mung bean. I feel I'm gonna eat some dessert, but I have to create from some healthy. Okay, this one I soak in the water overnight. I'm gonna go ahead put the water and boil it to make the mung bean dessert, guys. Alright, cook about 3.5 hours or more. Who knows, right? We'll see. Okay, the beans already cooked. It's only 15 minutes. Let me taste the bean. It looks good. The beans cooked already. Okay, this is coconut sugar, guys. Coconut sugar. Okay, I'm gonna use coconut sugar because it's so healthy. Some more. This sugar not that sweet. It's just like a natural sugar, sweet coconut sugar. And I'm gonna go ahead and add salt. Just a little bit salt only. So good. It's very good. It's like a medicine to me to make this dessert, guys. Mung bean dessert. It's like a medicine. Nothing can be better than this. You know, you can make the ice cream. You can make boil this and put coconut in here. But I don't want coconut today. And then you put in the bag. So put in the freezer and it become ice cream. That's how old-fashioned where I come from, Laos and Thai. So they make that way. Even Spanish people, they do like that too. They boil the bean, put the sugar in there, and then after they cool down, they put it in the bag and then put it in the freezer. And after that, they just open the bag and then eat. It's just like ice cream. So good. Okay, my dessert mung bean done. I'm turned off. 30 minutes I boil this, guys. So easy and simple and healthy. You can do with no time. Just go ahead do it. All you have to do, go to the Asian market, buy the mung bean and soak in the water overnight, and then you just put in the pot and just boil it and put natural sugar, or you want to put regular sugar, no problem. So put natural. When you eat it, it smells like a medicine. So good. It's so when you drop, so sweet and natural. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl and eat this when they get cool down. Okay. Okay, how to eat my healthy dessert, guys. Look at this. Yum. Look at this. You guys can do it. Have a lot of benefits in here. I can eat this every day, not a problem at all. I love this mung bean dessert right here. There you go. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Mung bean dessert with coconut sugar in no time. Only 30 minutes and have a good time. Come on, let's eat. Come eat with me. Right here. Leftover, we'll eat tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I can show you more healthy style. Eat food very healthy and easy to cook. That's healthy food, okay? Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.